friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Right now I am in the court and there is no one around me, as you can see, because it is currently 2 p.m. and by this time everyone leaves the court. So this is the condition. And if I talk about my day, it has been chaotic. I had a lot of work to do today, and just because of this, weather, it is scorching hot here. I get tired. So this is the current situation, and after after a while I will also leave the court. Okay guys, so I will see you there. You can see the surrounding. Guys, I wanna show you something very beautiful in the court. So just wait for a minute. It was the statue of the Mahatma Gandhi. It is so beautiful, guys. See the entire campus. Only a few people are there. See. Right now I am going downstairs. I am very thirsty, guys. I need water as soon as possible. Alright guys, so I made it back home a while ago, and after coming back home I was so exhausted. So I directly, I got freshened up, and after that I had a little meal, and then I directly went to the bed. I took a very well nap, and then I got a call from delivery boy that my parcel is going to be delivered, and these are the things that I got today. So first I would like to show you guys this Mars lipstick from Mars, and it costed me around 336. It costed me 336, and I didn't have to pay delivery charge because my order was up to 500 rupees, and I've got it from Amazon. Okay, so and these are the shades. As you can see, it is very attractive. All the person who likes nudes, so they can definitely go for this. And right now I am wearing this shade. It comes in combo, guys. So I have got totally 3 lipstick in just 330, which is quite good and reasonable. But the most important thing is that, guys, that it is not transfer proof at all. If I just tap my lips slightly, that lipstick will come on my finger off. As you can see the lipstick, and I am tapping my lips slightly, touching my lips slightly, and it just comes off, sorry. So I would not recommend this because it is not long lasting at all, and it fades away very easily, and so I would not recommend this, definitely. And I'm not gonna return it because okay, I can keep it because I don't use lipstick for a long period of time. I just need slight lipstick shades. So yeah, these are okay, and but the shades are amazing. And the second one is, of course, Deconstruct moisturizer from Deconstruct, and this is one of my favorite moisturizers, guys. As you can see, I've got this, and this is my old purchase, and this is my second purchase. And the first purchase I threw the container of first purchase away, and it suits. Actually, I have oily skin, so it is definitely works on my oily skin very well, so I like it. And the third and the last one is again face wash from Deconstruct. So I've got this Deconstruct face wash, and I also like it, and this is my third purchase. If you have oily skin, you can definitely go for Deconstruct oil free, oil control face wash or moisturizer. Okay, it has a very good combination of all the things. So these are the things, guys, and it costed me around 299. It is written 299, but I'm not sure. You can check them out on the Amazon, and it costed me, I remember it costed me 336. And right now I'm not able to recall how much it costed me. So this is all about this unboxing. Actually, I've already unboxed all these things, but yeah, this is all about the review of the product, and this is not sponsored at all. So guys, and right now it is currently going to be 6 p.m. and now I have to make dinner, so I'm gonna wonder what I can go for the dinner. So I will meet you after some time. It is around 7 p.m. right now, guys, and I don't have anything as such to show you, so I am ending this vlog. I hope you like this vlog. If you like this vlog, do like, subscribe to my channel and share the video. Thanks for watching.